Let's use a stencil to draw my eyeshadow on today. See my eye right there to do the shadow. P. Louise, we're going to take it all the way up to the brow bone. I like to use my hands to blend this. This is going to make the eyeshadow pops. I'm going to start off with some yellow. I'm going to put this everywhere, all the way to the end. Don't worry about the blending yet. You're just packing this on. Grab any purple and you're going to blend the edges. Go back and forth. Don't go over the eyebrow. Go down to the eyelid. It's supposed to look like this when you're done. The fun part, we're pulling out the stencil. We're going to use the star. We're going to put it right on top. So I put the color in with my stencil. Now I'm going to put two different colors in. I think I'm going to do red and green. This makeup look is inspired by my Wiig primer. I'm thinking about doing like all the colors I put on the eye at the bottom. Yellow, pink, red, green, blue. We finish off with the purple. Some black liner. You're gonna put that in your wet line. House Lab blush. Watermelon Bliss. Brown liner. I'm going in with a red lip. So I'm gonna fold this all in. Red lipstick. The e.l.f. That's so fire. This is the final look. I hope you like it. Just in time for Pride Month.